how to update N8N Cloud version. Today I will show you how to update your N8N Cloud version to the latest release. Let's do it. So when you log in, you might see a message saying new update available. Don't worry, that's your cue to upgrade. Head over to the admin panel from the menu. Remember, if you are using the community edition or self-hosted version, that option won't appear. You will need to update through your terminal instead. Inside the dashboard, go to settings. Here you will see your current N8N version. Right now, mine is 1.112.5. The latest stable version is 1.112.5, and there is a beta version 1.113.2. If you want to live on the edge, let's pick the latest stable release. I'm already in the latest stable version. If you are changing, tap Save Change and confirm. Your workplace will restart. Don't worry if you can't log in immediately. This just means the update is being applied. All done? Go back to your dashboard. Open your workspace and check the version under About N8, and there it is, 1.112.5. And yes, you are now access to all the new features like the AI assistant on the left panel. And that's it. Your N8N Cloud is now up to date and ready to automate like a pro. If this helps, smash the like button, subscribe for the automation tips, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.